all that.
Almost squashed one.
Did I? I'm not supposed to do that. Why'd you do that? Nothing on that, is there? This one's a little bit behind, isn't it?
Uh-huh. See it clean anymore?
No. It looks like liquid on there.
Maybe on the next one.
No. Oh, that one's thick.
There's eggs in that one. See them in the yellow?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why, but it shouldn't look like that one. Should be more brood than that.
There's the queen.
Where? Oh, yep.
Get a picture of her.
See it?
China.
Yep, she's a big one.
Where'd she go?
Right along the edge.
Where'd she go? Oh, there she is.
Can't really see the screen.
Yeah, I know. I tried taking a picture by myself and I missed it.
I think I got a couple of her. Yeah, we look like a bunch of pansies. Natalie's standing here with nothing on. It's videotaping. We got a bunch of pansies. We hear suits on and hats on. She's just standing here. You gotta move your hands from that side. That's where the camera is. That one looks good.
Looks better. That's a lot of brood in that one. They made honey in the middle though. That's kind of weird.
Is that mold on the side of that one? Or the box?
Yeah, it might be.
There's some dancing.
You can't move the camera around like that if you're videotaping. You have to hold it still. Make people sick when they watch it.
Well, this one's light. That must mean that it's all hatched out, huh?
Oh wow.
Yeah. Holy cow. Well, a bunch of them hatched at once, looks like.
Both sides too. Huh.
What do you think? They're pretty docile?
Yeah. This one's heavier. It seems like they feel very threatened by us.
No. That's why I haven't been too excited to wear gloves or whatever.
Yeah.
Probably have to come back out here.
Stand back a little bit.
What are all those spots?
The yellow and orange,
That's on the other side,
that's
though.
pollen.
It's on the other side, though.
That's cool.
This is a little bit farther behind, isn't it?
Yeah, it is actually quite a bit, isn't it?
That's 1, 2,
That's like
3, 4, 5.
That's only like half
Well,
of
there's only half on this side is that one.
Yeah.
They're pretty busy right here in this corner. I think those two end ones are going to be just as bare. Yep. Huh.
So one whole frame is pretty much